You're looking at Waipomo's mobile energy ecosystem. I'm Charlie Johnson. I'm the CEO and founder of Waipomo. We provide power, renewable energy for homes and businesses. And what we have here on the trailer is a mobile electric vehicle off-grid charging station.
Green Energy EPC is a solar company based in San Diego. We have been licensed and working in the state of California for last 7 to 8 years, and we have a total of 10 years experience in solar designing and solar installations. And we are a local company. We are very accessible to people and homeowners and property owners.
Technically a very savvy company. I'm an engineer by profession, so we do a good design, we do a thorough analysis of anybody's usage, and then we design the system based on the requirements. And one of the biggest assets of our company is we use very high quality equipment, very good reputed manufacturers. We design the system accurately and we install it the way it is supposed to be.